Everyone can have this in his backyard. An hydroponic system. It's also portable. You can move it around in your dry season because it's easier to maintain. And the tires can actually be locked to make it stable at a particular place. You grow your vegetables and other plants.
Welcome, guys. Have you ever thought of a gardening system that will help you to grow vegetables such as pepper, scent leaf, tomato, carrots, and other small crops in your garden in a very little space? Perhaps behind your house, behind your building, or beside your building. Have you ever heard of an hydroponic system? Come with me. Let me show you how you can easily achieve this in a little setup, a simple hydroponic system that can help you to achieve that. Do not skip any part of this video. Just watch to the end so that you can learn all the necessary parts and see how easy it is for you to achieve this. Come, let us go and see.
Setup here. The setup we are looking at is an hydroponic system. This is a system setup to grow vegetables. You can see some of the vegetables being grown right here. This is a chili pepper, a popular chili pepper in this part of the world. And recently we just harvested tomatoes from this system. Right now, pepper is being planted. You can see the system, various branches. And this level now we have the chili pepper being planted. Everyone can have this in his backyard and set up a very good vegetable farm in a little space. And you can have this the year round, whether rainy season or dry season, because it's easier to maintain, to water, than having it in sandbags. So you can see it. You can see the hydroponic system, which is set up here. The only thing needed is to spend the initial money to build the hydroponic system. If you look at the system, you see that it comprises steel reinforcement that we have right here. You can see it. The steel reinforcement is also made in a way that is collapsible. You can actually collapse it by removing the joints. You can see the joints here. See the joints? They are removable, and when you remove them, you can collapse the entire structure and pack it into a small vehicle to move it from one place to the other. Apart from the steel structure, we have the plumbing system that form the basis where manure and sand have been put to grow to form the support, the base and nutrient source, nutrient and water source for the plants. So anybody can have this in his backyard and grow a lot of vegetables and some other crops too. It's a simple system that can be done. We can move it also. It's also portable. We can move it around. You can see that it has tires, as you can see here. It has tires when it is being moved, it can be rolled up and down. And the tires can actually be locked to make it stable at a particular place. If you pay attention, you can see that this tire has locks. You can see that here. There's a locking system there on the tire that you can use to lock it. And once that is done, the system is stable. It will not move again. So when you want to move it, you unlock it and move it around and install it in a position where the plants can be grown. And then mark you, this will be done in a little space where sunlight will be reaching it properly. There will be sunlight reaching it properly, and then you grow your vegetables and other plants. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. We also invite you to become a member of this channel so that you can receive exclusive perks. Apart from that, you can also say thank you by sending small money to say thanks on the channel. Just see the dollar sign beside the comments box. Just click it and you can buy any small amount that you have. There is small, medium, and a semi-medium amounts that you can actually pay to say thank you to the channel. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.